morning, everybody. It's day 2 of our weekend prospecting trip. Vicki and I went to the Triple X. I don't know if you ever watched Guy Fieri and his cooking show, but the Triple X was one of the places here in Lafayette, Indiana that he featured on one of his shows. We went there, had me a tenderloin basket. Now I'm ready to go dredging. See what we can do today. Let's go to the creek. Well, we got Vicki all set up in a spot here where it's not too deep. I couldn't get her wheels off her dredge, so I need a little more water to be in. We haven't tried this spot before. It's right where we put our dredges in. Some big boulders. We're on the side of the creek that's the inside turn that usually we do pretty good on. See how Vicki does in this spot. I don't know where I'm going to put mine yet. I might just go right out here in the middle. So you got a plug up already? Vicki likes to hog the material through for all that gold. Tell you, Vic. Looks like you're up on your wheels yet, aren't you? Let's go find a spot for me to dredge. Well, here's the spot I chose over here. I did a little bit of a sample in this area, about 4 foot by 6 foot, and I found very little, you know, not what we want to be finding. So then I moved up towards the bank more, and I cleaned all the way from here over to that bigger rock right there. I rolled over this real big rock here. And I'm going to do a cleanup now and see what we've got. I think I got about 8 foot long by about 6 foot wide, and probably about maybe about a foot of material on the bottom that I cleaned to get down to that hard sand. A lot of times when you get closer to these boulder piles, they start doing pretty good. So let's do this cleanup and see what's going on. We did a little cleanup on Vicki's, just a quick 15 minutes, and she just had a bunch of smalls, but she wanted to stay there because she likes the sun, and hopefully it'll get better for her there. See what this thing looks like. Few pieces of heavy material, iron pyrite nodules. And I'll clean all that out, get it in my pan, we'll start taking a look. Well, I've taken it down quite a ways here, and I'm about to swirl it here in a minute to see what's in it. I'm not expecting a lot because we're on the opposite side of the creek from where I'm usually at, and I usually don't do that great there, but I thought I'd just give it one more try over here. Let's see what we got. Well, there's a nice piece there. A little darker than usual. If I get this glare of the sun off me. Right overhead right now. Not a ton in there, but I do see one nice little flake. Quite a few smalls. I just don't think it's worth staying on this spot. I'm going to go up a little further where we were a few weeks ago, and I'm going to try it up there. So let's go up that way and try it. Pretty neat rock you got there, Vicki. She's got another one over there that is like a perfect circle. What were you saying about it? Oak Island something?
Could solve the mystery.
Could solve the mystery of Oak Island with that rock, that circle. But here's where Vicki's been working. It's a pretty neat little spot. Looks like she's got about 10 inches of overburden. And a bunch of buddies swimming around with her in here.
Yeah.
Just got that big rock, probably needs rolled a little more. But man, is it beautiful out here today.
Yeah.
Crystal clear water. A lot of fish swimming with us. I just need to find a little more gold. I hope you get some this time. Let's take a look. Action. Well, I got Vicky's material here. See what kind of gold we got in there. Think you got any?
I hope so.
Well, you've been running about an hour, you think, or a little more?
Well, I burned a whole tank of gas.
You did?
Did you fill it when we started?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm out.
Oh, are you? I didn't know that.
Yeah.
Okay. See anything in here yet? Can you see it there or no? There's an old glare.
Yeah.
Don't see anything yet. You got a little heavier stuff than I was running into. You're really doing good this weekend compared to me.
Well, I'm just cleaning the creek out of the lead, eh?
Get some of these heavier things out of the way, I might be able to see the gold. Alright, let's see what we got in there. Yeah, a few little pieces. Nice ones. Nothing better than spending a Sunday afternoon with your wife out gold mining. There it is. You did pretty good.
Yeah. I gotta move that big rock a little bit more. The only thing that would be better is maybe we could get ice cream.
Get some ice cream afterwards. Well, if you keep finding gold like that, you'll be able to buy an ice cream cone.
Yeah, I like it.
Alright. Let's suck it up and got some garnets. Yeah, let's see, you got gold flying down here too. Yeah,
Alright, cool.
We'll look at it a little better later. I got a piece of gold down here in the bottom I want to show you. a piece of gold on the bottom. What'd you think of that? Pretty cool, huh? There's a spot that I had already went over with my dredge, and then I looked back and I saw up on top of a little plateau of rocks this little piece of gold just sitting there waiting for me to get it. So hopefully this will be a lot better. A lot of heavies in this spot, which is always the good stuff. The rocks are a lot heavier here too. See how heavy this stuff is? I keep seeing flashes from the pyrite too. It kind of makes it look like there's gold. Know why they call it fool's gold now. Real thick stuff here. Black sand's gigantic. I'll pan it down a little bit and then we'll look at it. Yeah, I got it down a little bit, so let's see what's in here. I got that one piece I sucked off the bottom. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's some gold in this one. It's like the best cleanup of the weekend here. Of course, I got the bottom of the dredge to clean up yet too, so still got a chance of getting something pretty good here. Oh, that lousy pyrite. Look at that one. That's a big piece of gold right there. I know a few weeks ago when you were out here with me, you were doing better than I was with that little dredge. That's a good cleanup right there, isn't it? Got them two nice pickers in here, and I got one more in the bottle that I sucked up earlier. Well, it looked like a picker underwater. Who knows? Maybe it's a little smaller than what I think. That's pretty good. Let's go down and clean yours out and then clean the bottom out. There should be a lot more gold, I hope. Let's do it. Bottom of the dredge here. Haven't cleaned it in 2 days, and this is the first pan. I'm only going to show this pan. We'll see how we do. I got it down pretty close. Do a little swirling. And as you can see, it's got some gold in it. Now, it seems to me like the first pan that you do out of the bottom, out of this tub here when I clean out the bottom half of the dredge, always the best one. So I'm just going to leave it at that and show you this one, and then the next cleanup will be at home. Not too bad for the first one. Now I might turn this camera back on if I find a great big piece. So I want to thank you all for watching this second episode from the weekend that Vicki and I just had prospecting. We did really well, and I'm going to weigh all that gold up here in a second. Hopefully we'll see more than a couple grams total. Let's go over and weigh it up and see how we did. Well, here's the gold from day 2. Didn't do too bad. Got about 5-6 little pickers and some garnets. And we'll weigh this up and see what it looks like now. Hopefully I got over a gram here for day 2. Well, it looks like we got 0.830 grams of gold here. We'll weigh it with our day 1 total and see what we get. Alright, let's get this going here. Get it zeroed in. I've got all the gold from the whole weekend. And we'll see what we got. I think we already know, but it's nice to see it all together. And a little bit blasted off the scale there. So we're at 1.37 grams. A couple pieces out here that we could probably get on there and bring it up a little bit. So 1.37 we'll call it. not too bad for the Midwest. And I want to thank everybody for watching today. And again, I want to thank the partridges for their generosity in sending my cheese to me. And stay tuned, we got some more episodes coming up, including our winner that got to take the trip with us, and he did pretty well for his first time dredging, and we'll be showing that video next. So take care and thanks a lot.